So guys, I know this is very different from my usual type of content, because as you can see there is no dragon nest inside. And if you clicked on this video and don't know what the fuck dragon nest even is, I am very sorry about that. Anyway, so what is this video gonna be? I had bought this giant massive bag of randomized mystery keycaps, and I'm gonna open it and see what the hell I got. The thing is, I've actually already ordered from this seller before, and the last pull was awful. It was just awful. I'm gonna flash it on screen, but as you can see, I think they thought that since I didn't choose a theme package, that means I just want a bunch of white, boring ass keycaps, which I do not want. I really hope this one is not gonna have anything like that. So this time I actually ordered a themed collection. And can you guess what the theme is if I didn't spoil it in the title? The theme is supposed to be anime. But when I was looking at the pictures, most of them weren't just your average anime. It was hentai. There's a lot of fucking hentai in there. So I think I will have to censor some of them unironically so this video doesn't get age restricted. I am not even kidding about that. Since this is how it's gonna be, I decided to start this session with a themed drink. Yeah, you can see the Pornhub colors already. I don't know how to show you the can. This is the best I can do, okay? Smoothie sour ale. I'm gonna be dead ass with you. I've never tried this thing before. I've seen these at my local liquor store and always wanted to buy them because the can looks sick as fuck. But I couldn't justify the price and now I finally have an excuse. So, let me open it up and try it. Please do not start spewing everywhere. Okay. Holy fuck, it actually tastes so good. I would get hammered of that shit if it didn't cost a fucking fortune. But anyway, I think I'm also gonna do some sort of a drinking game as I'm doing this. So you can play along if you want, but drink responsibly. I don't want anyone fucking passing out from alcohol poisoning from this video. So the game is gonna be this. Whenever I get a Gunnar keycap, I have to take a sip. That is the game. How I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna take them out one by one and show them off to the camera. I have opened it and I already have one in my hand. I'm gonna have it in my... Are you fucking kidding me? This is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about. This is just pale, very watered down peace yellow. Peace yellow. Nothing on it. What anime is this? Is this supposed to be that one fucking character of My Hero Academia who is invisible? I've never watched My Hero Academia, but this is the best anime themed joke I have of you. Get out of my sight. Get out. Get out. I do not want this. Please do not have any more of that shit. We just started and it's already found a way to make me angry. Okay, please redeem yourself. Okay, guys. This is already better than the previous one because literally anything is gonna be better than the previous one. But I said this was an anime themed package. If it said blue lock, I would be okay with that. But this just says lock. It's supposed to be caps lock. Doesn't even say caps. And the caps lock isn't even that shape. What is this key? What is this? This pull is so fucking bad so far. Can we redeem ourselves, please? Can we redeem ourselves? This is a bit better already. This is like a pixelated heart that is almost Monokuma colored. So, I'm just trying my best to find an anime collection, as you can see. This is not an anime bag. This is a copium bag. Okay, get out. Get out. I can't make this shit up. I threw it on my fucking wall and it bounced back right under my feet. I can't make this shit up. Fine, since you wanna be here, be on my table so bad. Fine. Fine. Okay. What the hell even is that? Which way am I supposed to look at this? Like this? This kinda looks like a mask when you look at it like that. Now it kinda looks like a bowl of ramen soup. I don't fucking know what that is. We've got 5 so far. 5 out of this massive bag. And not a single one was anime themed. We got... What the hell is this? We got like... This would be cute if it wasn't for the default font control. I know I haven't got any Gunnar shit yet, but I already wanna take a sip of alcohol. We got another control, but this time it's blue and striped. This is so fucking boring, man. Where are my funny anime characters at? This is just an F12 key. This is not anime. Did I get scammed? Did I get scammed? K. This is all I will say about this one. This is a very off-center return key, which I thought was just green, but it has like this weird non-colored spot. I don't know if this was intentional or this was a defect, but I don't like it. This is lame. Okay, this is better. We got like, I don't know this character's name, but I've seen him somewhere. And it's so far the best one we got. And it is actually low-key anime themed. Low-key. I feel like the bar of this video is gonna be so fucking low. Get out. I'm not even gonna comment. Get out. Get out of my shot. I don't want you in my shot. Okay, what is this even supposed to be? Is this like dash and a bigger dash on the floor? Once again, not anime. Okay, this is a weird escape with an interesting font. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna show these to you. Just skip through them until we actually find an anime keycap. Okay, what does this even supposed to say? I thought this was like Arabic until I saw the very small hour written on it. Is this supposed to be for like fucking ants? What the hell is this? Why is it so fucking small? Let me actually try to read what the hell it says. You can see the close-up of my crusty cuticle. The love our people have died. What? I actually can't tell what the hell the first word is supposed to be. Who have died? I don't fucking know. At this point I'm drinking just because the drink is good and I'm bored. Sorry, but what is that? Is that supposed to... Is that a reference I just don't get? Like, what is this? This looks like a crown. But like a very weird one. What the hell is that? If anyone knows what the hell this is supposed to be, please let me know. I guess it can be whatever you want it to be. Okay, this one is kinda cute. This one is actually cute. Maybe I'll use this one myself. This one is kinda cute. Oh shit, we actually got an anime one. Fucking finally. How many has it been? Editing me, how many has it been? I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea which anime girl this is. I thought like, okay, this is not a Gunnar keycap. But then I like moved. At first I thought this was boobs, but I think this is her knees. So, sip number 1 of the drinking game. Let me actually put the anime ones in their own separate corner. Oh, this one is interesting. See? It has like ear shape. This one is actually kinda cool. Anyway, this one is actually cool. This one was a good pull. This one was not. This one is just ass. This one too. This one looks dirty. This one just looks dirty. Fuck you. Boring black enter key. Oh shit, another anime girl. And the one I also don't recognize. Once again, we got a gooner pool. Can we get a goon in the chat? It being like unfocused kinda censored, so... I'm sorry, what is this? I feel like this is supposed to be a piece of a bigger picture. But out of context, I can't even understand which body part this is. I'm sorry, does this go in the anime tier or the general tier? I don't know. This is going into what the fuck tier. B. I think this is the same situation. But now I'm even more confused. Fuck off. Just get out. Okay. This is from a Japanese keyboard. And that's all I can say about that one. It almost got me. I thought this was like a plain boring gas key, but it says home. But it's still a boring gas key. Just like this one. Sorry about all the shit on my table. Got two. Two down. I'm gonna be down after this one. Oh, I think this is... Am I tripping or is this supposed to be from the same like set? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, we got matching ones, so that's cool. That means I can maybe use them. If I want to. By the way, these kinda go in here. Ooh, I can't stop moving the camera. God damn it. Oh, for fuck's sake, we got another end text. Let me try to read what the fuck this is. And we will do so for you. Well, at least I can read this one in full. I still don't know what the fuck this is supposed to mean, but... Get out. Now, Japanese one. Okay. This one is a bit more interesting because it has a star. Wait, I actually think in another set I got, I have like the same keycap with the same plate pattern on it. But I think it's a different shape, so... We almost got a match. Okay, I already saw this set, yeah. This is like from some cards shit or something like that. Once again, these are all from random ass sets, and I have no idea what this is supposed to be referencing. But cards are gonna be my best bet. Look at that. We almost got a match. Still don't know what the fuck the full picture is supposed to be, but I feel like there's supposed to be the other seasons too, but... Or it's just a spring keyboard. Yeah, once again, we have found another match. And also, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this text is a bit pinker than this text. This one is more pale. Page down. Menu. I don't think I even have that button on my keyboard. Another fuck ass bitch. What the hell is this? This is some Stickman thing. What? Who the hell out there buying Stickman keyboards? Apparently me, since now I own this. This is just a dot. This is just a dot. This is just a dot. F11. Can we get an F in the chat for me, please? Please put an F in the chat because I got fucking scammed with this bull. E. We got... No, it's F. I thought it was an E because of this thing. But it's just an E indent for blind people or something. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna run. Who the hell is actually typing on the keyboard like you're supposed to be? Like the way you taught in the fucking computer class. Who the hell actually does that? I'm just typing the way I'm used to. Who the hell is actually like relying on these things? Unless you're fucking blind actually. Then it's understandable. Get out! Get the fuck out of here. Okay, we got an umbrella. That is low-key off-center. Yeah. I feel like this was supposed to be like here, but it flew away. That's what it got picked up by wind and flew away. That's what happened. Oh, this one is actually cute. What? It's like a duck catching butterflies. This is so cute. Okay, this one is actually good. I'm gonna like create a separate tier that is just good. Just unironically good pool. This one is not going in that tier. What the hell is this whack-ass font and what the hell is an Ultra 7? Yeah, boring. Boring. This one is Christmas themed, I guess. I don't really like its bedroom eyes though, so it's not going in a genuinely good tier. You know what? I think I should change my game rules. Because this game is not going the way I thought it would. I think I'm gonna start taking a shot every time I get a boring ass key. Watch it immediately switch to Gunnar shit as I say that. Nope, it doesn't. Here you go. See, now this game is going. Now this game is actually going. I almost forgot that we had a drinking game. Oh. Oh wait, maybe I should... maybe I should... Oh. Maybe I should return the Gunnar shit back. Which hentai is this even from? Can anyone identify the source? Not that I would actually look it up. Okay, we're still keeping the previous game too. So I'm thinking every time I get a Gunnar shit and every time I get a boring ass one. So in there I'm just gonna be drinking the entire time. Well, I would be impressed if I didn't have the exact fucking same one from the previous bag that I had. So now I have two of these. Anyone wants like the Japanese painting spacebar? Anyone wants that? By the way, does this count as an anime themed or not? I don't think so. Okay, we have another spacebar. Are you fucking kidding me right now? I have 3 of these now. What the fuck am I gonna do with 3 of these? Let's get the space bars out of the way. You know what? I would rather get another wavy thing rather than this. This is just a black screen, a black one. This like weird patch, annoying patch of white. This is worse. This is just awful. Okay. This is almost the same one, but this one that actually has a cool print. Once again, not anime themed whatsoever. I don't feel any more space bars, which is unfortunate. I thought we're gonna get something funny. This video is just me thinking I will get something funny, but nothing happens again. And this is just a blot of ink. Or whatever the fuck. Bendy and the ink machine are keycaps. I wish it was actually Bendy and the ink machine. That would be cool. Like, you're not cool. You're not cool. What is that supposed to be? This is now a piece of like the big picture. Is this like supposed to be a piece of the skirt? I'm not sure if I can count that as an anime one. This is... You can't even tell what this is supposed to be. Unless you're actually looking at it. My camera is really bad at showing it, but... It's like alt with little cute drawings, okay? So maybe I will put it in genuinely good tier. Okay. We are so back. We're getting the Gunnar shit. You know what? I thought I would be rolling my eyes at the Gunnar shit. But now I'm just happy to get something that I actually paid for. I cannot believe this. And once again, I don't know the source to this one. If any certified Gunnar wants to list all of the sources that I got, please, that would actually be funny as fuck. Oh, I feel like we're getting to the good part. The good part. I don't know. Is that? What is that? Is that a tentacle? Oh my. Yeah, this one gonna need a big sip. Wait. This definitely has to be from some sort of anime that I do not recognize. So this piece is getting promoted to the anime tier. And this one is too. I will have to like look up what this is later. Oh, it's like a little bear sleeping. Okay, this one is cute. See, at least if it's not anime, at least give me something like this. Okay, you're going in the genuinely good tier. Oh, is this? I don't know if I'm just tripping or is this one of the Evangelion things? I'm not sure, but just in case, I'm putting you in the actual anime tier. Not putting you in the actual anime tier. Okay, we saw oh. I don't know if I just splashed that, but there were actual tits. There were actual nipples looking back at me. I'm gonna need 5 big sips for this one. There's another anime girl peeking at there. Wait. I think I'm gonna censor this. Yeah. That is like actual nipples. That is just straight up tit. Yeah, this is what I originally expected coming into this. Now I'm like almost happy to see tits. This is what you got me. This is how you got me. Okay. This one is weird. This is like... I would not put it in the genuinely good tier. Because it's kinda mid. It's kinda mid. I kinda don't like it. It would be good in a set, but by itself it's just meh. Oh, okay. Once again, I have no idea who this is. But we actually got some kind of character, anime character, and that is cool as fuck. Finally I got what I fucking paid for, okay? The bar is actual hell. Did we unironically get a repeat? The goon repeat? You're gonna be gooning, double gooning. You're gonna be double gooning. I would rather get the gooner repeat than any of this fucking boring shit. And this is another cut-off one. This is another cut-off one that I think is supposed to be some sort of anime, but it does not pass. Okay, what is that? What is actually that? Is this another like logo thing? I will have to look that one up later, but without context I can't put it in the genuine anime tier. By the way, I'm promoting this one to genuinely good because I kinda forgot to do that. What is this? What is this? First of all, it's low-key dirty, but second of all, it has like this weird symbol and the Japanese character. No, but not the kind of character we're looking for. This one is ass in every meaning of the word. Oh, hold up. Hold up. This is what I'm talking about. We got more yeah, I'm gonna have to actually censor this one. I'm not even gonna try. This one, there's the left tit is on this side and the right tit is on this side. More straight up titty. I don't know who would like unironically buy these except for me. I'm buying this like as a joke. What? I should shut the fuck up because if this was naked anime man, I would be fucking frothing at the mouth and rubbing my hands together. What? This this is just a fucking chicken leg. What the hell? What kind of set that is that even from? Okay, this one is going in the genuinely good tier because this one is just funny. Okay. But more anime, finally. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a character that I actually recognize here. Maybe I'm a fake fan and I am exposing myself right now. We got a Santa one. This is... where is that? I think these are supposed to be from the same set. Got the Santa and the reindeer. You know what? I kinda like the Santa more. Even though I don't know why he has a fucking Rudolph red nose. Or is this supposed to be his mouth? Now I'm confused and I don't like it. Is this supposed to be his mouth too? No, this is why it doesn't go in the genuinely good tier. It's confusing. Okay, we got more anime. More anime. Let's go. No, I do not recognize her, unfortunately. Okay, more gooning. This is like genuine Higawa type shit. But thankfully, I do not have to censor that one. And that is a win. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I think this is from the same set. But I'm not sure. Just in case I'm putting this in the anime tier. Let's go. Wait, I think... Yeah, we already have this Gunnar lady. We already have you. Get out. What is that even supposed to be? CC11 and CC2. What is that? What is that? Oh! I just pulled that up and it's just straight up tits. Yeah, we're getting 5 big sips for that one. You can't even tell who that is supposed to be. And it's just straight up titties. This is what I expected to see. This is exactly what I expected to see. Yes, give me more of the titties. Give me more titties. What is that? What is that? Is this like... I forgot what this thing is called. Nunchucks? What's the like Christmas ass nunchucks? Is this for Santa? Santa! What are you doing, Santa? No! You're supposed to bring joy and jolly happiness. No! Don't beat them with the candy cane nunchucks. No! Oh shit! Oh shit, this is a legendary pool. What the hell does it say? Maiden bedroom. Well, the text is nonsense, but these kitties are so cute. So cute. This is going in the genuinely good tier. Immediately. Okay, you're going in the fucking incinerated tier. Oh yes. Oh yes. I sound like an actual gooner. But you have to understand, the reason I'm like, yes, give me more. Give me more. Is because I just saw you this fuck-ass mountain of bullshit that I did not pay for. And finally I get the item that was advertised to me. I do not care how fucking degenerate it is. I'm finally happy that I have what I expected. This is exactly what I expected. Titties and gooning ladies. Okay, yeah. This is some BDSM shit. Wait, oh no. I just realized I realized what the fuck I'm looking at. I thought this was a fucking blindfold or something. But it's actual fucking cock. Like straight up dick. I will have to censor this shit. You will not get the same surprise that I just did from the realization. Because I thought this was like a blindfold, but it's straight up dick. Straight up fucking veiny dick. At this point, who is the target audience for this piece? You think that it's like the straight male gooner. But why would I, for example, if I was a straight man, why would I want straight up fucking dick on my keyboard? Okay, I will have to turn you upside down. Otherwise this whole section is gonna be blurry and shit. Okay, back to the scheduled boring programming. A new anime girl has just dropped. And this one is not Gooner. Not the Gooner girl. And yeah, this would be very cool if I got this as the last piece. But I did not, so that is just lame. You're lying, this is not the end. Well, it kinda is getting closer to the end because the bag, I feel like there's like very little of them left. Enter. Okay, get out. Okay, it got another one. No, there is no titty, thankfully. I will not have to censor. No. Oh wait, there is almost titty. But we have avoided titty for now. I think this is the last one. And it is Whatever the hell this is supposed to be. Now this is more bending the ink machine type bit, but it's not so. Let's pretend this was the last one, okay? No, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know, okay? Oh, how cool! Look at that! Look at that! Get over here. I got the end at the last one. Isn't that cool? Doesn't that justify all the money I just wasted? That is so cool. That is so cool. So let's review. Out of the 300 or so grams of this shit that I got, only this much was the anime shit. And only this much was genuinely good. Was genuinely something I would put on my keyboard. You know what? This one can also go into genuinely good. The reason I put it off is because I got fucking too much of them. This is all. This is all. The rest is just fucking trash. I have no idea what to do with them. Like, genuinely, what the fuck do I do with these now? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I'm gonna start selling my own mystery keycap business, which nobody is gonna buy from, okay? Wait. I know what I can do just right now. I have this fidget toy. Keyboard fidget toy. What should I put? Which one should I put? No, I have... I can make myself a Gunner fidget toy. I can make myself a Gunner fidget keyboard, okay? Let me do that real quick. There, I have... Imagine fucking going outside and whipping this bad boy out. This is like mega Gunner autism type of item. They're not even like even because they were not intended for this. At this point I wanna put one of these like things on my keyboard as a joke. To remind myself to never ever order mystery keycaps ever again. Which one should I put? No, I'm not putting titties. I am too straight for titties. Sorry. I also don't want to put the cock one on my keyboard. I know I'm a fucking hopeless gooner. But even I'm not that down bad to have straight up cock on my keyboard that I type with every day. I'm gonna put the good ones in a separate bag. I'm gonna put all the bad ones in the bag of shame. Bag of shame and trash. Like one of these blank ones maybe could be good if I wanted to paint them. Like, if I wasn't that lazy, I would take one of these and paint Kyle Drum on them. But the problem is, I'm fucking bad at painting by hand. I am a digital artist. You know what? I'm promoting this one to the good tier. I'm promoting this one to the good tier. Not this one, this one. Okay, maybe the reindeer and Santa can go in the good tier too. I'm gonna put the reindeer and Santa on my keyboard for Christmas or something. It's gonna be the most festive keyboard in fucking town, bruh. This is a very good PSA against gambling. Because after this, I do not wanna gamble ever again. Because I just lost so fucking bad with these keycaps, bruh. This one is getting promoted to the good tier too. You get out. Get out. You don't deserve to be on my table for any longer. You know what I'm gonna do probably? If I ever have to like send a gift to one of my friends, I'm just gonna give them a handful of this trash and we're like, yeah, now you will have to deal with this. I will pass the torch on to you. And you can figure out what to do with these keycaps. If you don't have a mechanic keyboard, that is not my problem anymore. I've passed the torch. You do you. So guys, what did we learn from this experience? 1. Never buy mystery keycaps online or anywhere fucking else. And 2. Do not gamble. Do not gamble at anything. If you for some reason want me to waste more money on shit like this, please tell me in the comments. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do more of something like that. What would I even buy? Because I am not buying from that seller ever again. I just got fucking scammed, bruh. Anyway, bye. Thanks for watching.